Hi, Angelica here from The Strong Suit, and today we're talking about self-care. If you follow me over on Instagram at genuinely_AA, then you know I've been collecting some plants for some time, and I'm so excited to share my plant collection with you guys today. So let's get started. First on the list is a snake plant, also known as mother-in-law's tongue. I love this guy because it tolerates drought conditions and low light. I got this cute planter from Target, and I got this guy at a local farmer's market. Next is my parlor palm. It's a little tree, and I love the jungle vibes that it brings to our living room. I've noticed that I've had to water it more than most, but I got this guy from the Zen Succulent as well as its planter. You might have recognized this plant from my IG stories where I redecorated our guest bathroom. This guy is super easy to take care of. A little water goes a long way, and it also came with its pot. I got this from Home Depot. If you know anything about plant trends, or you are a plant mom or plant dad, then you know that everybody loves a fiddle leaf fig. I actually have 3, but I got this one from Walmart, and it also came with a planter. These plants I would not recommend for beginners, but they're beautiful additions to your plant collection. Next, I have a red and silver nerve plant. This is actually a combination plant that I got from Home Depot. I got its planter from Target, and I repotted it as soon as I could. I love that it has a pop of color that it brings into my office. This guy is super easy to take care of, tolerates low light, but it needs water. Next is my ZZ plant. I got this guy from a local farmer's market, and I repotted it in this plant that I got from Big Lots that also comes with a planter stand. This guy is super easy to take care of and doesn't require too much water or too much light, so it's perfect for a beginner. Here is another variation of a snake plant, and as you can see, it looks completely different from the tall one that I have that's also known as mother-in-law's tongue. This guy is a bird's nest snake plant. It's super easy to take care of, and it actually kind of grows from the inside out. I love that it's drought tolerant and low light tolerant. As you can tell, a lot of my plants are drought tolerant and also tolerate low light, which makes them perfect for beginners and perfect for me. And that's it. That's my plant collection. Taking care of my plants is one of my favorite forms of self-care. As you know, self-care is so important to me. It's what keeps me motivated, keeps me inspired, so I can continue to inspire and influence others. Oftentimes, during moments of stress, whether it's in our lives or in the world around us, self-care ends up falling on the back burner. That's why I partnered with Rooted Woman to showcase a class called Nourishing Your Mind, Body, and Spirit, taught by certified nutritionist Frances Holm. Rooted Woman currently creates nail colors and nail treatments that are toxic-free, and also hosts a community of women who prioritize self-care. During times like these, it's more important than ever to prioritize our mental and physical health. If you're wanting to make your self-care a priority again in your life, but you don't know where to start, definitely head by Rooted Woman and sign up for the class today. As always, it's so nice talking with you guys. I'm so happy that I got to share this moment with you guys, and until next time, I'll talk to you then.